is an abandoned castle here in Parliament. Parliament, 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 Parliament. Parliament.
Hey guys, just tell him to stop singing because he's so bad singer.
No, I'm gonna release an album. I'm gonna release an album. Like I
Christ.
have tracks that is coming out very soon.
We are going to start bleeding from the air.
Oh my goodness! I am. But hey, where are we right now?
In Parliament.
Parliament. Let me tell them that Parliament is in the southern part of where? Togo,
Yes.
right? But I've seen this beautiful abandoned castle.
Yes. Do you want to know the history of this castle?
Why am I here?
Oh.
I'm always here to learn and also educate the people who watch my videos.
Yes.
So, is there anyone you think can educate us today?
Yes, there is the guide.
Oh, Monsieur. Je m'appelle Maya. Et vous?
Jean-Pierre,
Jean-Pierre. Je viens du Ghana.
moi je viens du Togo.
Qu'est-ce que tu viens là from here?
Do you know, guys, why he's struggling so much to speak French? We are doing a challenge
Okay.
on my channel
Yeah,
where
but-
I'm only speaking French to him.
Exactly. So my French is on point today. So make sure you go check out the video because like I speak French, man. You guys, hey, Ashanti.
Enchanté de vous connaître.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. You know.
So he's the guide
Tu
here.
parles anglais?
Je parle français.
Oh, français.
Oui.
Un puis anglais?
Non, pas
Oh my goodness.
anglais. Je parle que le français.
Okay.
But don't worry.
I'll
I'm
speak
here.
français.
French. Are you sure? of
I'm
that?
sure. I just want to know
Yeah.
what is this? Like I just want to know what is it?
Il veut savoir quelle est l'histoire de ce château.
D'accord. Ce château a été construit par un avocat français dans les années 1940 à 44.
Ok.
Et là, l'avocat il travaillait pour la sous-région. Il travaillait en collaboration avec l'État togolais et dans le domaine diplomatique.
Ok.
Donc, avant de partir, il a laissé le château à l'État togolais qui est devenu château présidentiel dans les années 78.
Okay, so this place was built by a French lawyer
Okay.
who was working with the government, with the Togolese government
Okay.
in diplomatic
Yeah.
parts.
Yeah.
And it was taken, the place, he left it to the government in 1978.
Voilà.
Yes,
Oh.
1978.
1978.
Yeah, so it became the government property.
Property.
Yeah, property.
So from 1978, who was staying here when he left? Who was staying here in 1978?
En 1978, qui résidait
C'est le
ici?
président.
The president. The
L'ancien
le
président,
feu, ouais.
le feu Yadema.
Yes, our last president, the one who came before.
This one.
This
Oh, the one
one.
who died. Yeah?
Yes, May.
His soul rest in
rest
perfect.
in- Yeah.
So this is where he used to live.
Yes.
Wow.
In
From
de-
which year to
yeah,
which year?
De quelle année à quelle année?
De 1978 à 90.
Okay, 1978 to 1990.
Zero.
Yeah,
From 1978 to 1990.
yeah, 12 years.
12
he's
years.
been here.
But this is not a capital.
No,
How come
the
he-
capital of Togo is Lomé.
Lomé. So how come he was ruling the country from here?
En fait, il dit que ici, c'est pas la capitale du Togo. Donc, comment se fait-il qu'il dirigeait le pays d'ici?
Voilà, bon, c'est le milieu qui l'a beaucoup attiré. Donc, il vivait ici avec sa famille et donc comme ça, il prend l'hélico, il va à Lomé et le soir il revient.
Ok,
Voilà, c'est
Ok.
la nature qui l'a beaucoup intéressé avec le climat, les montagnes, comme ça.
d'accord.
Voilà.
Okay, he was very attracted by the view here, by the environment, and he was living here with his family and all that stuff. And he left when he wanted to go to Lomé. He took his helicopter, yes, and go to Lomé and came back in
Wow.
the evening.
In the evening. He was living luxury.
Yeah.
Can we go in to see
President
what
life.
what they have in there?
Est-ce qu'on peut aller à l'intérieur pour voir
Il n'y a pas de souci. on peut aller.
Let's go.
Merci beaucoup. Hein? I want to know how many rooms are in there and how many floors.
Ok. Il veut savoir combien de chambres il y a.
En tout, on a 4 chambres en haut du château et 2 chambres en dessous du château.
Ok. Et combien d'étages?
On dirait 2 étages seulement.
2 étages. Ok. 2 floors. Floors is like how many?
Yeah.
2 and 4 rooms in here and 2 underground rooms.
Wow. So underground and then the first floor and the
Yeah.
second floor.
Yeah.
What was it doing in the underground?
What?
What was it doing underground? But I think this place is the hall, right?
C'est bien le salon ici.
Oh wow. But what do you guys use this place for now? Is it a tourist place or what? Is it a tourist attraction or?
Vous utilisez cet endroit pour quoi? C'est devenu juste un endroit touristique ou ça sert à d'autres causes aussi?
Bon, en fait, on utilise ça aussi pour le tourisme. Et aussi, il y a certaines, comment dirais-je, expositions des produits locaux qui viennent ici.
Okay, okay. So tourists came here and also some locals came here sometimes to expose some of their products, like sell.
Oh, to sell. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. All right. But you know, come. You see, I feel like this is so strong, and I don't know why it's abandoned.
Il trouve que la maison est toujours très bien sur pied, donc il veut savoir pourquoi elle a été abandonnée.
Bon, en ce temps, il a été abandonné parce que le Togo avait mis des tours sociopolitiques.
Okay.
Donc, le président ne fait pas des mariages par ici parce qu'il craignait des fois la population,
Ok.
des représailles et autres. Donc, c'est pour cela qu'il a abandonné pendant 12 ans.
Okay. So at that time, we have a kind of social crisis here in Togo.
Social crisis, okay?
Yes, here in Togo. So he was afraid that the people in here will attack him. So he stopped coming.
Coming here
Yeah.
and then left to Lomé.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So since he left to Lomé, no one has ever stayed here.
Depuis qu'il a quitté pour Lomé, plus personne n'est venu habiter ici.
Non, plus personne.
Okay. No one came.
I would love to buy this place. How can I buy it? I can't buy it.
On peut acheter.
You can't. You can't buy it.
Let me move around.
Ici, c'est la salle à manger du
Wow,
château.
look at the rooms,
La
man.
cuisine.
This is the kitchen. Wow. This is luxury. Really luxury, man. Shit. This is luxury. Even in the kitchen, you still have the bathroom.
Wow. Can you imagine being cooking
Yeah,
and
fresh air.
having this view?
Une chambre à coucher.
What's this place?
Reste de coucher
It's
Salle de bain.
a room with the washroom.
Oh, wow. I know this one, they stole it. Somebody stole the bathtub.
Il veut savoir si quelqu'un a volé.
Non. C'est pour la rénovation qu'ils ont commencé par casser. Ils vont enlever les trucs pour garder quelque part.
Ok.
Sinon, si c'est à voler, les gens ils vont ramasser même les marbres. Ça, c'est bien.
What are you saying?
No one stole it. It's just they want to rebuild it. So they came and took stuff
Okay,
so
so
that
they-
they can.
They want to rebuild this place.
Yes.
By who?
Il veut savoir qui veut reconstruire ici.
C'est l'État togolais.
The government.
The government.
Là, on va visiter une suite ministérielle. Comme le président, il habite ici, il est avec ses ministres aussi. Donc il a
Ok.
construit 8 chambres comme ça pour les ministres.
I think I understand that one. What he's trying to say is that
Yeah.
when the ministers come to visit him, this is where they live, right?
No, the ministers
God.
live with him here. He built 8 suites.
Sorry,
Don't fall, please, don't fall.
I'll
We still
fall.
need you.
I'll fall for my subscribers. Yeah. Uh-huh.
So he built 8 suites for his ministers.
Oh, wow.
So they can live.
Live with me. Look at this. So why are people writing everywhere? That they've been here?
Il veut savoir pourquoi les gens écrivent partout. Est-ce qu'ils vivaient ici?
Non, ce sont les élèves qui viennent faire ça. Donc quand ils viennent, ils écrivent. Quand un camarade vient, ils savent que ils ont visité le château.
Yeah, it's like when students came here, they write their names on the wall so that when someone else comes, they can see that they've been here.
I need to let people know that I've been here, you know?
You want to write your
My
name?
name, like,
How can we write our names?
you know what? Whenever you visit this place, come and take a photo, post it on Instagram and tag me, and let me know you came here. Guadamara. Make sure you tell the tour guide to bring you here. It's one of the rooms that the ministers used to stay.
Et ici, c'est pour ceux qui font l'entretien dans le château.
Okay. So here is the place where the people who work
Oh, they, oh,
to keep the castle, yes,
clean.
live, yes.
That's where they live.
Ça, c'est une chambre de réchauffement. Comme c'est un endroit où il fait très froid, donc le blanc, il a eu l'idée, il a construit une chambre de réchauffement où il peut réchauffer quand il fait très froid dans le château.
Okay, this one is going to be hard to me to translate, but it's like, you know, in winter, the place you make fire and get warm. This is the kind of those. I don't know how we call it. How do you call it in English?
Like heaters? Is it a fire?
Yeah. So they do it because you can feel that it's a little cold
Yeah.
here. So
Oh.
the build this to warm
The house, the
yeah,
castle.
the castle.
And what about this one?
Ça, c'est du château d'eau.
It's water castle.
Mais c'est après que l'arbre là s'est poussé là-dessus.
But what? How come
Okay,
there's tree on it?
so this tree wasn't here before. The tree,
It was not there before. It
yeah,
grew. It grew itself
it
when
grew
it was
itself.
abandoned, right?
Yes.
Avant d'arriver à la douane, le village que vous avez traversé avant d'arriver là, à la douane, là où je vous ai croisé là,
Oui.
c'est le village ça.
Okay.
Agomeyo.
What are you saying?
That's the village.
You came from?
Yes.
Et je disais que cette pierre là que vous voyez, c'est le Togo allemand qui est représenté. Et avant, le Togo mesurait en superficie 90 400 km².
Okay.
Et ils ont pris 33 800 pour attacher au Togo, au Ghana qui est devenu
Hey!
Britannique.
Did I hear Ghana?
Hey,
Did I hear Ghana?
wait, this one I'm going to translate it so well. Look
What
at
is
the
it?
stone there.
Uh-huh.
You see, this is the Togo. Before you Ghanaian people came and steal our land.
No.
You're not trying to keep me from.
No, what is it?
Let me show you
No.
guys.
Take your time now.
No.
No, you're telling people that my country, we are thieves. You are not thieves. You are
You
not
are
thieves.
thieves. Look, guys, all the land they stole from us. This, like this part, almost half our land you sold. all the Togolese subscribers of Maya, please come and make the hashtag. We want our lands back. We want our lands back. You Ghanaians
No. I don't think there's any difference between Togo and Ghana, you know, because this place is the border region, eh?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yes.
Interesting. So this is how Togo was, eh?
But it will be very interesting to
Bring the whole Ghana and Togo together
yes.
to form one country.
Yes.
And it's gonna
no,
call
not Ghana and Togo, but we want our land.
No.
Hashtag.
Okay, hashtag. Let's combine Ghana and Togo, and you're gonna name it Gato.
Yes.
After visiting the abandoned presidential castle, how do you feel?
I feel like this is a piece of paradise.
Oh,
I
wow.
can't keep myself from imagining how this looks at the moment the president
was living here.
Yes.
Wow.
Because even as an abandoned castle, we can see that can be so peaceful to be here.
Peaceful to be here.
Yeah.
Wow. Because if you look at the view behind us, the view around this place itself, it's everything.
Yeah. It's everything.
Everything. And
Even
you do everything
the
here.
city.
Wow, the entire city, man. Like, this is amazing. I don't even want to leave this place, but I think I have to tell them that if you ever come to Togo, make sure you take a trip to where?
Parliament.
And when you get to Parliament, tell them that you want to visit what? The presidential what?
Yes.
Castle?
Castle, and this one is at Kumakonda. You came to Parliament and then you come to Kumakonda and you will find this little piece of paradise.
So boy, Mr. Ghana, baby, and I'm with,
Gaila Jo.
and you can also call her Aku Sika Ayamaya.